And then choose a topic with less resources. What I mean by that is if you go online and you, for example, do a search on, let's say, model airplane building, you see there's it's a lot of resources on that. Now let's go down a bit. Fighter plane building, airplane building. Okay, let's go with that. Let's go with help. Google is gonna tutorials. It's a little bit less, but there's still a lot of resources online when it comes to this. Let's see if this is what we call exact match and broad match. Broad match is if someone types in, we'll get to that in detail in the keyword research one, but broad match is when someone types in a keyword as a broad term, like we did now, model airplane building. That's a broad term. You can see there the results are 27 million. Now if you make that an exact match, if you just put those little don't know what you call it forgot now, around the word, then you get the exact match. And you can see that the exact match for websites that talk about model airplane building is 244,000. That's still a lot. Now let's take that down a bit to model airplane. Sorry, let's make it model. Oops, fighter airplane building. There's no results for that, which says that there's either no market for it, or you've hit a gold mine, but the chances of hitting a gold mine on the web nowadays is is not very high. So if there's no results on it, then I wouldn't focus on that specific niche. Then rather maybe go a bit more broad and stay with the niche model airplane building, for example. Because there's quite a few websites that focus on that already, and you can see here, if you look at the ads on the right hand side and on the top here, you will see that there's people actually selling parts and selling stuff related to model airplane building. So there is a market for that, which takes us to can you sell something? If you choose a niche, select a niche, keep in mind that obviously you want to be able to sell something on that specific website. Once you get the traffic, you want to be able to sell to them, and if you can't sell anything to them, if you can't think of anything that you personally would want to buy in that specific niche, then it's probably not a good niche to go with. Then you need to be able to sell something in that niche. It can be information products, it can be physical products, but you need to think of, okay, can I make a digital information product on this specific topic and sell that? For example, let's stay with a model airplane, like how to work with balsa model airplanes, or how to paint your model airplanes, or how to build a motorized, airplane, that kind of thing. you need to be able to sit and just, you know, make a short list of, is there something in this space that I would personally buy and that I would spend money on. If there's nothing, then it's not the niche to go with. If you can think of a lot of stuff, brilliant. Only a few, you know, go and do a search online and go and do a search in Google and see if you can find products related to that specific niche. And then in the next video, of course, we will focus on niche keyword research. So the most important part now is that you go and think of what is this niche what is your niche going to be, and this, because if you don't know, then you won't be able to do the niche keyword research to start identifying specific areas you can write about. Okay, I will see you in the next video.